10 body signs that reveal your health status. We can eat, drink, think, move, and do many other activities daily because our body systems are working together. But we often do not worry about our health until we start to experience harsh symptoms. People think that headaches, stomach aches, and fatigue are normal, but sometimes they can be a warning for you, so you should always keep yourself aware of what your body is telling you. The human body is just like an amazing machine. The human body has a specific way of telling when it's happy, sad, or needs your attention. When something is wrong, it doesn't shut down immediately, but it gives us different signs and signals to tell us that something needs to be fixed. These signs mean that you better do some investigation to avoid complications in the future. But in this case, you should be smart enough to understand and not ignore these signals. If you're also concerned about your health status, then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to tell you top 10 body signs that reveal your health status, and you should never ignore them. If you ever ignore these signs in your body, then ask your doctor, because prevention is always a safer option. But before jumping into this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. So without any further delay, let's get on. Number 1. Drastic weight loss. If you're also having unexplained and rapid weight loss, especially if you haven't made any changes to your diet, then there's something to be worried about. Generally, the health complications linked with such a rapid weight loss are diabetes, arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, tuberculosis, cancer, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and depression. All these illnesses or conditions mentioned over here need immediate or proper treatment. So it is recommended for you to see your doctor if you have lost more than 5 kilograms of your weight without bringing changes in your diet or exercise. Number 2. Skin issues. Skin assessment is very important because this is the largest organ of our body and it can tell a number of things about your health. For example, if someone has a skin rash accompanied by joint pain, fever, and muscle pain, then this can be a clear indication of an infection or some other internal problem. If the skin starts to become pale or yellow, then this can be an indication of liver failure, while darkening of your skin can be a sign of hormonal disease. Also, red, brown, or dark spots indicate iron deficiency or any other vitamin deficiency in your body. So this also needs to be addressed. Number 3. Pink color of your feet. While it's good to have soft feet, but when you notice that your feet are unusually pink and the skin is also dull, thin, and wrinkled, you should check your blood sugar levels by doing a blood test. Sometimes you may also see a purplish shade on your foot. Purple feet are a sign of a circulation problem that can be potentially serious because when your blood circulation is normal, your skin retains its natural color. Any change in the color of your feet indicates that the blood circulation towards your feet is not normal, so you should see your physician. Number 4. Changes in your nails. Nails can also be an indication of your health status, so if you notice that your nails are becoming thin and wider and the shape is changing, then this can be an indication of a heart problem. In addition to this, brittle nails can also be associated with some kind of medical condition. But remember that this condition of nails is not a disease, but it indicates some underlying medical issue that you need to fix otherwise. Number 5. Loss of appetite. Eating your meals with moderation is a good habit, but not wanting to eat anything is not good. So if you're also experiencing a certain loss of appetite and you also notice some unexplained or drastic weight loss or weight gain, then this can be a symptom of any metabolic disorder. In this case, If you also have an acid reflux, then this can indicate the presence of gastroesophageal reflux disease. Number 6. Swollen toes. A swollen toe most of the times represent trauma or infection, but it can also represent some serious condition like arthritis. So if your swollen toe is not going after 3 days, you should definitely visit your doctor and see why this happened. Number 7. Whitish tongue. A pale tongue or a whitish tongue is a very prominent sign that you're not in a good health. This condition might be caused by dehydration or poor oral health. If you notice a pale or whitish tongue, then there are chances that your water intake might not be sufficient or you're not cleaning your mouth or tongue properly. In rare cases, this condition can also be a sign of a weakened immune system. But in this case, the white coating on the tongue comes from a fungal infection. And when we try to remove this coating, then it may cause bleeding. Leukoplakia is a condition in which white patches form on the insides of your cheeks, on your gums, and also on your tongue. This usually occurs because of smoke or excessive use of alcohol. And if this condition is not treated properly, then it may lead to oral cancer. Number 8. Dry and cracked lips. The dry lip is a common thing that all of us often experience. But if you note that this is happening more frequently, then it can be due to some allergic reactions or dehydration. The common allergies that cause dry lips are cosmetics, certain food ingredients, and some medications. Cheilitis is a severe condition caused by infection and is characterized by cracked skin and lips. In condition to this, dry chapped lips can also be associated with some underlying conditions which include thyroid disease, vitamin deficiencies, and inflammatory bowel disease. Low zinc levels and vitamin B deficiencies have been reported to cause cracked lips. Number 9. Hair loss. If you're facing a small amount of hair loss, then it's completely normal. But if you face hair fall in big clumps, then you might be suffering from stress or any other underlying medical condition. Iron deficiency can also be a major cause of hair fall. When your body doesn't have an adequate amount of oxygen, then your hair follicles go into a resting stage. This is the time when you may experience a heavy hair fall and your hair growth also stops until the iron level goes up. Abnormal hair loss in men can indicate a higher risk of developing heart diseases and prostate cancer. Other medical conditions that can be associated with excessive hair loss include thyroid disease and scalp infections like ringworm. Number 10. Bloating. Digestive problems are commonly experienced by many people and they are equally neglected. And if you frequently experience symptoms like nausea, diarrhea, bloating, and gas, then you might be suffering from digestive intolerance. Lactose or gluten intolerance are examples of conditions that are related to sensitive digestive system. In the case of lactose intolerance, symptoms are experienced just 30 minutes after consuming a dairy product. If you often feel bloated, then this can be a signal that you have a condition like irritable bowel syndrome. Bloating, however, is related to the foods that we consume. Bloating can also be a sign of serious illness. For example, it is one of the first symptoms that women notice in ovarian cancer. Ovarian cancer bloating results due to fluid accumulation in the abdomen and also causes pain. It can be associated with colon cancer. In this case, the inside of the colon is blocked and that results in progressive bleeding. If the cancer is located at the end of the colon, then there is a history of worse constipation and bleeding also occurs. In the United States, colon cancer is the second most common cause of cancer deaths in non-smokers. Health should always be your preference because prevention is better than cure. This was all for today's video. Hope you all like it. Do you have any of above signs in your body? If your answer is yes, then what are those symptoms? And have you ever visited the doctor to treat your problems? Drop your comments in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.